Before installing your eye-level car seat, please review your car seat instruction manual. Always remember to properly install the car seat on your vehicle seat before placing your child in it. The eye-level meets the new i-Size ECE R129 standard. This system is suitable for children from 40 to 85 centimeters, which is approximately birth to 18 months. Unfold the load leg from the storage position. Place the base onto the vehicle seat. Locate the ISOFIX release and extend the ISOFIX connectors. Align the ISOFIX connectors with the vehicle ISOFIX points, then click the connectors straight onto the ISOFIX points. There should be an audible click, and the ISOFIX indicators should be green. Double-check that the base is securely installed by pulling on the ISOFIX connectors. Extend the load leg to the floor. Adjust the load leg to fit the base against the seat, ensuring there is no gap between the base and the vehicle seat. The load leg indicator should be green. After installing the base, position the eye-level child seat rearward onto the base. There should be an audible click, and the seat attachment indicator should be green. Pull up on the child seat to ensure it is securely latched to the base. Eye-level can be used rearward facing in any of the 3 recline positions. Press the backrest adjustment button to recline the seat. Press the ISOFIX release and push the base back until it is snug against the vehicle seat. The headrest can be adjusted to one of 7 positions. The bottom of the headrest should be level with the highest point of the child's shoulder. Press the harness release tab while pulling out the shoulder harness to loosen. Press the red button to disengage the buckle. Place the child in the seat. Pull the shoulder harness over the child's shoulders, then click the buckle. Pull the shoulder harness adjustment strap to tighten the harness, ensuring the child is secure. Always return the handle to the full upright position for riding in the vehicle. To remove the seat, pull out the seat release, then pull up on the infant seat. To remove the base, release the secondary ISOFIX locks, then press the ISOFIX release buttons. For more information and for proper fitting to your child, please review your Joie instruction manuals or visit www.joybaby.com.